Make a great choice today with the 2018 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, Bluetooth, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, universal garage door opener, fog lamps. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.